alright. Thank you, people of YouTube. Feel free to check out my music. I'm not gonna say it.
I love you. I walk with you in the palm tree. Marshall on 3.
1, 2, 3.
Marshall. Oh wait, this is Black Power.
Oh, Stokely would be proud.
One time me and Kate met Stokely Carmichael.
Yeah?
He was in the parking lot. He was watching little children for some reason. I'm not kidding, it was weird, but it wasn't really Stokely. It was just a black man.
Who looks like Stokely.
They look very similar.
Oh, it must have been the skin color.
No, not all black men look the same.
That's true. Drake is very attractive.
This is true.
And he looks nothing like LeBron James, who is also very attractive. I think.
You know who's very attractive?
Yeah.
Who?
Tom DeLonge.
I was gonna say Mark Hoppus. I think Kelly Hoppus would be a good name.
Yeah. Kind of like Kate DeLonge. That was weird.
Our life plan is go to college, get some type of degree so we're not considered failures. Then
So society doesn't label us as failures.
stalk Blink-182.
Oh, that's stuff. Just
It's not stalking if they want it.
and they do want it.
Stalk them. Follow them. Meet them.
Love him.
Have them fall in love with us. Get married in a double ceremony on the beach. For everyone who doesn't know, this is my person. She is my Christina Yang, and I am her Meredith Grey, and I am her Christina Yang, and she's my Meredith Grey, and that's it.
Ditto. I have something really interesting to say. What if you were doing this to my chin and you found a chin hair on my chin? Would you tell me? Would you be like, whoa, Kate?
Not by the hair on your
Chinny chin chin.
I feel like I need to talk about Peter creeping down the bunny trail.
Feel free.
Actually, I wanna sing a song.
Okay.
Give me a song to sing.
Waking up in Vegas.
Universal.
You gotta help me out. It's all a blur last night. We need a taxi, 'cause you're
I thought it was we need a doctor.
Bro. That's a fake ID. But isn't she over 21? I'm pretty sure 'cause she's getting married to Russell Brand.
Isn't he very scruffy?
Yeah, and British.
That would explain it. British men are like this. Like good.
Daniel Radcliffe's not. He's kind of like this. Like we're against.
He's Harry Potter. He automatically wins. I would date Harry Potter. You know what? Just stop. I hate being tall. Because many guys are short. So men, please put your platform flip-flops on and just, grow a little bit. Or,
Get a surgery to extend your legs.
no, I said that on Disney Movie.
Yeah, me too.
Or, was that with you?
No.
Hmm.
But it felt like it.
It feels like it was today. Your bed is slipping down.
I understand that. Closing remarks? Or does this need to exceed 5 minutes?
Well, we're at 4:50, 2, 3, 4 right now, so almost done.
5.
Wait, I want to sing a song.
Feel fine.
I have some. My heart doesn't sing anymore. Violence, you have me forever and after.
Oh.
Can't sing that because I sing it in the recipe that I posted approximately 2 seconds ago.
You're so pretty. Oh, girl, you're so pretty. With the chili dog, you're so pretty. Look at your nail. Look.
You're in an Asian store too.
I have to tell you something, and I need to say goodbye to our viewers.
Because we love you.
Well, you know. Okay, we love you.
I got.
No. Alright.
There. There we go.
No.
Hi,
No.
Katie.
Not right now.
Hey,
Trust me,
Katie.
not right now.
No. That's what you get for waking up in Vegas. Do you think anybody would ever watch this?
Did you close out of it?
No.
Oh,
Your bed is sinking. It's going down. That's what you get for being friends with Kate. She's really crazy and she likes to bake. Get baked. Do not do drugs. I'm advocating a drug-free lifestyle on the internet. Abstinence and abstinence too.
Wait, no. Just look at it. I can't even do this.
This is weird. So weird. There's a dog that's creeping me out. Oh no, this is gonna end. I'm gonna go sleep in a different room. Oh no.